Donors and engaged citizens, what do nonprofits need right now? Do you know? Undoubtedly, nonprofits are struggling, rethinking their offerings, activities, and staff, and at the same time, continuing to serve our communities. None too soon, there is a sigh of relief from nonprofit leaders as the stimulus bill includes support for nonprofits. The bill is huge as it eases the pain of losing revenue from canceled fundraising events, fees for service, and tickets or admission fees, for example. For nonprofits, the bill will provide loans and forgivable grant opportunities. Also, it increases tax incentives for corporate giving and expands charitable deductions to taxpayers. Just this alone is big. There are other relief opportunities available for nonprofits with more information to come. Hi there, I'm Nancy Reeves, your fundraising coach. Additional funding for nonprofits is critical in the months to come. Nonprofits cannot exhale completely and believe the stimulus bill will solve all of the problems of lost revenue. They are considering the long-term impact this crisis will have on their finances, staff hires, and program offerings. Without question, many nonprofits are realigning their programs to meet the needs of those they serve and how they serve them. The faster they adjust, the better. Nonprofits are the heartbeat of our communities. They know how to serve their audiences. They are the experts. Many organizations are serving those in desperate need of help right now, the homeless, hungry, and hurting. Yet other organizations bring value to our everyday life through arts, education, cultural events, and history. Absolutely, they are all important. This is where you, the philanthropic community, come in. Without a doubt, nonprofits need your help more than ever. That's what nonprofits need right now, is you. To support nonprofits, you can take a variety of steps. It is up to you to determine what that looks like for you. I have some suggestions. Let me share those with you. Number one, what a board member can do right now. As a nonprofit board member, be a leader, not a seat warmer, naysayer to fundraising, or a wait-and-see member. Step up and ask your executive director, CEO, and development director specifically what you can do right now to help. Don't get off the phone or video until you know exactly how you can help. Number two, what a donor can do right now. As a donor, continue to give and give more. If a nonprofit representative has not contacted you in the last several weeks, contact them. Ask them what they see as their shortfall at this moment. Find out how much they need to keep the organization moving forward. Either contribute to that gap in funding or cover it all. If you are passionate about a particular program in jeopardy, direct your funds to support that program. Number three, what a ticket holder can do right now. As a ticket holder, forego a refund for the canceled event. If you have not bought tickets for an upcoming annual event, send a gift in for that amount you would have paid for that event, or double what you would have paid. Number four, what passion can do right now. As someone passionate about a cause, participate in virtual event offerings. You are seeing many of these right now, and you will continue to see them. Definitely, your presence means the world to the nonprofit and the beneficiaries. Your participation fosters momentum and exposure of the pressing needs of the organization. Number five, last, what an engaged citizen can do right now. As a person concerned for others, step up in a big way. You may be in a position to volunteer for an organization serving a critical need. Clearly, nonprofits are adjusting to take great precautions to keep volunteers safe. Discover what you can do right now to help those in dire need of help. Volunteering may be picking up the phone to call others to support your favorite charity. You are what nonprofits need right now. In summary, nonprofits need your help more than ever. Your community needs you more than ever. Many nonprofits' livelihoods are in jeopardy. They need support, large and small. Please give to and support your favorite charities. Also, if you found this valuable, like it, share it, and tell your friends and nonprofits about it. We are all in this together. To receive more fundraising tips and grab a free fundraising plan, click here. I look forward to seeing you next time. Bye for now.